Judge Mershon did just that.
And you're speaking to about the witnesses, which is usually who are the most protected, and of course the jury. Trump's former press secretary, speaking of witnesses, Hope Hicks, David Pecker, the former executive of The Inquirer, who squashed the stories that were negative about Donald Trump, Michael Cohen, Trump's former attorney, who has turned on Donald Trump, the former Playboy model, who also accused Trump of having an extramarital affair, Karen McDougal, and of course, Stormy Daniels herself are all on the witness list. What does this list tell you? See Kellyanne Conway there as well.
Sarah, when I was counsel for the first impeachment of the former president, we investigated this identical set of facts, including many of these witnesses. I took Hope Hicks' deposition because the same as the judge put it, alleged interference with an election gives rise to impeachable offenses as well. And I think that the prosecution, Alvin Bragg, has a powerful case here. If they're calling Hope Hicks, they're calling these other witnesses, it's because they've meticulously put together a case that they're going to present to the jury of how Donald Trump allegedly, let's remember, he's innocent until proven guilty, but he allegedly kept vital information from voters in the 2016 election. That's a case of voter deception and alleged election interference. It's kind of a gateway drug to him doing the same thing allegedly in 2020. That's why we're going to hear from Hope Hicks and the others. They have critical information in the determination of DA Alvin Bragg.